Suvarnabhumi Airport, BKK, Bangkok, Thailand. The arriving and driver pickup process for Suvarnabhumi Airport, BKK, Bangkok, Thailand. After getting off the plane, you usually go through the jet bridge first. There is only one way there, so you just follow the others. After you walk a little further ahead, you will see a screen displaying your flight information. The screen displays the flight information, including flight number and departure city and baggage claim point marked 14 inches. This picture for Air China 7997. After exiting the connecting bridge, you will see a sign indicating inbound passenger arrivals at the top. Follow that direction. Keep walking on the moving walkway toward passenger arrival. Before going through immigration, you need to fill out and submit the arrival card first. Many young travelers fill out the digital form online. You will see a sign that says no photos at immigration. So no pictures were taken in that area. After going through the immigration area, you will arrive at the baggage claim area. Those with luggage need to collect it at the designated location, which has been shown when you deplane on the connecting bridge. Those without checked baggage can leave directly. These are the exit options: Exit A, Exit B, and Exit C. They are close to each other. Once you exit, you can either meet your driver standing at the exit and holding a meeting sign there, or you can choose to go to the meeting point located between Gate 3 and Gate 4 where you can find your name. Your driver will then lead you to the car.